Let's make flour from sunflower
And
stalks.
this more I
Come
see.
on.
Show me how to make flour,
Let's
cause me
get
tired
the
of white
right
flour.
tool for the job.
Cuts like butter.
A bare sunflower me I gonna grow now.
First thing we're going to do is clean the stem off. We're going to cut off all the little limbs. Saving the sunflower heads. Some of these I'm going to dry out and use for seeds. Other I'll eat. You want a recipe on that? Let me know below.
Cut into small, manageable pieces.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're going to split all of these sunflower stalks in half.
Mm-hmm. Boy, look how she chop out the thing, man.
Once you got them all split, you're going to scrape out all of the white stuff from the inside.
Interesting. No, so this is something new, man. Mm-hmm.
Once you
Rush.
get it all processed, you're going to add it to your dehydrator at 150 degrees.
Me need to get a
Now that the sunflower
dehydrator.
stock is completely dry, we're going to add it to some type of blender.
Chop up that.
The finer you want your flour, the more you're going to want to do this. Run it through this, run it through the shifter, and just keep making full circles.
Sieve that. Sieve it.
Until it's at the right consistency. All right, darling, eat what you grow.
Oh my son.